Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change your Steam account name in 2025, and I'm also going to be explaining the difference between your login name and your profile name so there is no confusion. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't make any of the mistakes and get it done right. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Steam powered mobile application or Steam powered launcher in your desktop or in your PC. Now, once you are in your account, you will see your account's username in the top right hand corner of the screen. So this is your Steam account name that is used to log in, and if you want to change that, this cannot be changed. But your profile name, the name that your friends and the other players see, can be updated anytime. So if you want to change that after logging in, click on your profile icon in the top, then select the option of view my profile. Over here, select the option of edit profile, and here you will see your profile name. So this is the profile name which you can change anytime. So you need to just simply press backspace in your keyboard, and here you need to type your new name just like so. After doing so, you need to just scroll down and click on the save option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and there you go, your new profile name is updated immediately across Steam. You can also update your custom URL, your bios, avatar from the same page to fully refresh your Steam account. And this is how you can change your Steam profile name in 2025. Just remember that your login name stays the same. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Steam tips, and comment if you want a guide on hiding your playtime or changing your profile privacy next. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.